The Pagani, a name synonymous with automotive artistry and exhilarating performance. This Italian marque, while relatively young, has cemented its place amongst the titans of the supercar world. But even the mightiest machines can fall into disrepair. This is the story of one such Pagani, a forgotten masterpiece awaiting a new lease on life. Our subject was a Zonda, the model that launched Pagani into the stratosphere. Years of neglect had taken their toll. The once vibrant paint was dulled by time, the leather interior cracked and worn. It was a sorry sight, like a caged eagle, its spirit grounded. Yet, beneath the dust and decay, the essence of a legend remained. The unmistakable silhouette, the powerful heart within, a dormant beast yearning to be unleashed. It was a challenge that any true petrolhead would relish, to breathe life back into this automotive icon. The restoration of a classic, especially one as rare and complex as a Pagani, is no small feat. It's a delicate dance between preservation and rejuvenation, requiring not just mechanical expertise, but an artist's touch. The first step was a thorough assessment of the car's condition. Every nut, bolt and panel was scrutinized. The engine, the heart of this beast, needed a complete overhaul. Sourcing original parts for a Pagani is no walk in the park, but thankfully the company itself is known for its support of classic restorations. The bodywork required equal attention. Years of exposure had left their mark. The paint was carefully stripped away, revealing the car's bare bones. Dents were repaired, rust meticulously removed. It was a slow, painstaking process, but each hour invested brought the Zonda closer to its former glory. One of the biggest challenges was the interior. The Zonda's cabin is a testament to Italian craftsmanship, a blend of luxurious leather and high-tech materials. Over time, the leather had dried and cracked, the stitching frayed. Finding replacements for these bespoke materials seemed impossible. Enter the artisans. Skilled leatherworkers, masters of their craft, were commissioned to recreate the interior. Using only the finest hides, they painstakingly stitched together a new cabin, matching the original in every detail. It was a testament to human skill and dedication, a true work of art. Finally, the moment of truth. The engine, rebuilt and tuned to perfection, roared to life. The sound was intoxicating, a symphony of mechanical fury. The freshly painted body gleamed under the workshop lights. The Zonda was reborn. This wasn't just about restoring a car. It was about preserving a legacy. Classic cars like this Pagani are more than just machines. They're rolling pieces of history, tangible links to a bygone era of automotive passion and ingenuity. Restoring them ensures that future generations can experience the thrill of these automotive legends. It's a way of keeping the spirit of the past alive, of reminding ourselves how far we've come in the world of motoring. The restored Zonda is no museum piece. It's meant to be driven, to experience the open road as it was intended. And as it roars down the tarmac, turning heads and igniting passions, it serves as a reminder that true automotive art is timeless.